Welcome to the first edition of Source Files. Today I'm going to dig into whether the power law graph can help us predict whether a given item was made in a particular country. You may remember the power law graphs from Clay Shirky's Here Comes Everybody, where he used it to show that the top 10% of Twitter users produce 90% of tweets. It's used in a lot of other forms of predictive models as well. So we're going to use data from the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations. That's their website right there. So we're going to go and search a couple of roughly randomly chosen commodities to see if some of them show this power law distribution. Again, this is only going to show the top 10% of producers. So artichokes follows what looks like a bit of a power law distribution right there. We're going to take a look at cranberries. This graph isn't even showing the characteristic long tail, though cranberry shows it pretty clearly. That is, the 90% of countries producing a material would only represent 10% of the total production of that material. So we'll take a look now at eggs. And this one is a pretty dramatic example. So what this means is that if in 2012 you're holding an egg in your hand anywhere in the world, it probably came from China. Same thing for vanilla from Madagascar or one of the other countries listed there. So the takeaway is that in some sample cases, the power law graph may be a useful model. If you're interested in learning more about this project and where this data is going, you can check out my website or you can ask me questions on Twitter.